Chaffle-off-a-ding-dong! I'm in a silly mood today because today I'm making chaffles, and chaffles is kind of a silly word. So the first thing you want to do is mix your almond flour and your baking powder together. All right, so I've whisked together my almond flour and my baking powder. Now I'm going to grab my big bowl of cheese and pour in 1 egg. Perfect, now grab your spatula and just fold it all through. All right, so we have our mixture here. It's kind of wet. That's exactly what you want it to look like because now we are going to add in our almond flour baking powder mix. Just throw it straight in. All right, so I'm just folding that in, making sure that the almond flour and baking powder is completely combined with that cheesy egg mixture. All right, this looks good to me. I'm just gonna put this to the side. And I'm grabbing my mini dash waffle maker. This is the best to have for chaffles. A lot of other people suggest this waffle maker. It's good, it's cheap, and you can often find it on sale. But if you don't have that, you can use something else. You could even bake these on the stove if you really want to in a pan. But this is definitely the easiest option for you. All right, now we're going to let that preheat. And then we're just gonna take about 2 tablespoons of your cheesy mixture and throw it straight on there. Kind of spread it out just a little bit, but you don't need to spread it out completely around the whole waffle maker because when you press that lid down, it's gonna spread out. So let it do the work for you. You know your chaffles are done once the mini dash waffle maker's light goes off. But if you're not using a mini waffle maker and you're just doing it on the stove, then you'll know it's done when it goes kind of a golden brown color. All right, for the big reveal. Oh, yes! Chaffle-off-a-ding-dong, chaffle-off-a-ding-dong. These look so good, or I guess this looks so good. There's only one, but it's gonna look good for the others. Let's take it off. It looks so crispy. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this. You can smell this. Make this recipe so you can smell it. It's so good. All right, I just put it on my drying rack so it kind of has a little bit of air ventilation. I said that kind of weird. I put it on my drying rack so there's a bit of air ventilation going on so it really crisps up. You don't want to have these when they're hot because they're going to really crisp up when they are cold. And they taste better when they're cold, so trust me. A good tip to remember as well is when you're done making your mixture, just divide it in 4s. Then you'll know exactly how much to put on your waffle maker. Also, something to mention as well, I'm using mozzarella cheese, but you can use cheddar cheese if you want a sharper cheddar cheesy flavor. You can really play around with this. You can also add in your own ingredients, maybe some flavorings like some herbs or garlic powder. You can even make them sweet, add in some sweetener, add in some cinnamon, make them cinnamon flavored chaffles, whatever you want. They're super customizable and they're delicious. Okay, our chaffles have cooled down. Let's give them a try. I can already feel it's gonna be really crispy. Wow. I really hope you heard that crunch. These things are so good, so crispy, so delicious, and cheesy. But if you're not really into that overpowering cheesy flavor, the mozzarella is a really good option. It's not overpowering. However, if you really love a good sharp cheese, adding cheddar cheese instead of mozzarella would definitely give you that hit of flavor. You could even whack some cheese between two of these and make yourself a grilled cheese sandwich. That would be absolutely delicious. Use these in place of burger buns or as a sandwich. I don't even know what I'm trying to say right now. As sandwich bread. I'm just excited to make my own sandwich out of this. These are absolutely amazing. You definitely need to try it. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. And remember, the ingredients and everything is down in the description below. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.